This is our first grade Spanish math unit. In this unit, we'll be doing a lot of review, but also concentrating on our math operations. So we'll be going over our numbers from 0 to 30. We'll be doing our operational terms, más, menos, son, and contar, cuenta. And finally, we'll be reviewing our age-related terms. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Tengo blank años. So starting with our numbers, we'll just go over these rather quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now we'll be talking about our operational terms, más, menos, son, and contar or cuenta. Más. Más means plus. Literally, it means more, but when we're talking about our math operations, like 1 plus 2, we would say uno más dos. So pretty simple. When we want to say plus, we just say más. Uno más dos. Menos, as you might have guessed, means minus. And it can also mean less. But when we're talking about math, when we want to say minus, we say menos. So if we wanted to say 2 minus 1, we would say dos menos uno. Dos menos uno. And finally, son. Son, when we're talking about math, means equals. It can also mean are, as in they are nice. Ellos son simpáticos. But when we're talking about math and we say son, it essentially means equals. So if we wanted to say 2 plus 1 equals 3, we would say dos más uno son tres. And if we wanted to say 3 minus 2 equals 1, we would say tres menos dos son uno. And here, contar or cuenta. Contar is a verb, and it means to count. So when we say cuenta, it's essentially used as a command, meaning count. So cuenta hasta 30 would be count to 30. Count from 2 to 10, you might say cuenta de 2 hasta 10. And finally, our age-related terms. We've gone over this before, so just as a quick reminder, ¿cuántos años tienes? Is how you might ask someone, how old they are. Now, literally, it means how many years do you have, but that sounds strange to us as English speakers, so we can remember that it is asking the question, how old are you? ¿Cuántos años tienes? And we would answer that question by saying, tengo blank años. Now, literally, that means I have blank years. But again, that sounds strange to us as English speakers, so we can just remember it as I am blank years old.